Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have the device in hand, a charged battery, and network access. Start immediately. First, go to Settings, General, About, and record the serial and IMEI so you can verify enrollment records. Next, open Settings, General, then VPN and Device Management. Look for a listed profile or supervision notice. These entries tell you why restrictions exist. Once done, make sure you capture screenshots and the exact profile names for the next verification, steps with an admin or Apple support. Now, connect the iPhone to a trusted Mac and run Apple Configurator or a management tool. These show supervision state and enrollment flags more clearly than settings alone. Once connected, review the device details for DEP or automated enrollment tags. Note any managed Apple ID. Also check activation lock status to verify owner control. Then, contact the organization's IT admin with the serial and IMEI so they can confirm whether the device is actively managed and what restrictions are enforced. Finish by verifying chain of custody. If you are not the owner, do not remove or alter profiles. Instead, request official confirmation. If the profile is absent yet policies still apply, restart the device, install any pending iOS updates, and recheck VPN and device management. Cache settings can linger. If issues remain, escalate. Provide the serial, IMEI, screenshots, and proof of purchase to your IT team or Apple support for resolution. One troubleshooting tip: always test changes on a single device before broad actions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.